It's a 2018 Audi A3 sedan. From the beautiful exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Advanced Key, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, and power heated mirrors. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Atlanta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. Contact Audi Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5805 Peachtree Boulevard in Atlanta.